Ever felt like your money just vanishes into thin air? Like it grows legs and walks out the door? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of budgeting apps to help you wrangle your finances and stop the money madness. Let's face it, budgeting can be a drag. It's like trying to herd cats, but with less fur and more financial stress. But fear not, tech-savvy friends, because we've got the perfect solution: budgeting apps.
Huh?
But first, welcome to our channel, Ash Cash Stash. Now, let's get to know the top 3 budgeting apps you need to save money fast. App 1. YNAB, or You Need a Budget. Master Your Money. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a popular choice for those who want to take a hands-on approach to budgeting. It's based on the zero-based budgeting method, which means you allocate every dollar of your income to a specific category, ensuring you spend less than you earn. It's like that strict parent who's always on your case about saving money. It forces you to allocate every dollar to a specific category, ensuring you don't overspend. It's like a financial boot camp, but with less push-ups and more spreadsheets. App 2. Mint, your all-in-one financial dashboard. Mint offers a comprehensive approach to personal finance management. It connects your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts to provide a clear overview of your financial health. It's the chill, laid-back friend who's always got your back. It automatically categorizes your transactions, tracks your spending, and even monitors your credit score. It's like having a personal finance assistant without the high fees. Before we move on to the next app, it's time to join the Subscribe Squad. Like, subscribe, comment, and click the bell icon to get notified and stay tuned for awesome content. Don't forget to share this video too, for it might help people who needs it. Now, let's get going. App 3. Personal Capital, the wealthy uncle with all the answers. Personal Capital is a powerful tool for investors and those looking to build wealth. It goes beyond basic budgeting and offers advanced features like investment checking and financial planning. Personal Capital is the wealthy uncle who's always giving out financial advice, whether you ask for it or not. It offers advanced features like investment tracking, retirement planning, and even personalized financial advice. It's like having a financial advisor, but without the hefty price tag. So, there you have it, folks. These 3 budgeting apps can help you tame your finances and achieve your financial goals. And while you use those apps, here are some additional tips for budgeting. Set realistic goals. Break down large financial goals into smaller, achievable steps. Next, track your spending. Monitor your spending habits to identify areas where you can cut back. Another one, automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers to saving accounts and bill payments. Lastly, review your budget regularly. Adjust your budget as needed to accommodate changes in your income or expenses. So, what are you waiting for? Download a budgeting app today and start your journey to financial freedom. And remember, every dollar counts, even the small ones. After all, pennies saved can turn into dollars earned. Remember, the key to successful budgeting is consistency and a little bit of humor. By using a budgeting app and following these tips, you can take control of your finances and build a brighter future. That's it for today's video. See you on the next episode.